Hello kids, welcome back to Zora Tale. I hope you are happy and smiling today. Today we are learning about farm animals. Farm animals live on a farm. They help farmers and give us food. This is a sheep. Sheep says, "Ah." Sheep gives us wool. This is a hen. Hen says, hen gives us eggs. This is a horse. Horse says, horse runs fast. This is a pig. Pig says, pigs like mud. This is a rabbit. Rabbit says, rabbits are soft and cute. This is a goat. Goat says, goat gives us milk. This is a cow. Cow says, cow gives us milk. Great job! Today you learned about lots of farm animals. Cow, sheep, goat, hen, horse, pig, donkey, and rabbit. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with next fun learning videos.